In this video, I go to Patrick Space Force Base. It is located on the Atlantic coast south of Cape Canaveral and not too far from Melbourne. I am retired from the Air Force, so getting onto base was super easy. I found that the exchange was well equipped with just about everything that I was looking for. The other thing that I did while I was there is I went to a couple of other locations on the base that I thought would be of interest. I went to the FAM camp, the ID card location, and the tickets and tours office. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave comments. Now let's take a look at Patrick Space Force Base. As you come into the base exchange, you'll come into a hallway, and there are a couple of eateries, restroom, barber, a GNC, and a few vendors selling all kinds of various military branches merchandise. The women's department has clothing items from Old Navy, Carhartt, Cool, Columbia, and many others. The men's department also carries various name brands. The exchange carries Michael Kors, Coach, and Brahmin luxury items. The power zone is well equipped for all of your tech needs, including laptops. The makeup department is full of all of your favorite brands. Clothing sales is located inside of the exchange and has the necessary uniform items for the Air Force, Army, and Space Force. I thought that the Space Force service jacket had a, interesting design. The building for ID cards is located on the opposite side of the base from the commissary and exchange, and it's building 537. This location is right behind the dining facility, not too far from the ID card building, and there is also a walking or running track right behind it. Not too far from the dining facility is the Information Tickets and Travel Office. Here you can get discounted tickets on Disney, Universal Studios, the Kennedy Space Center, and many others. The FAM camp is located not too far from the dining facility, also along the water. On this day when I did the drive-through, it looked like it was completely booked. About 10 miles away from the base is the Avenue Vieira located in Melbourne. I highly recommend this location for shopping and its restaurants. I went to Tommy Bahama, Kendra Scott, and Trader Joe's. And then these are the items that I brought home from my day out. It was a great drive to Patrick. It was a beautiful day. It took me about an hour and 45 minutes to get there and to get back, and that was during rush hour. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, make some comments, and let others know that I'm here. Until I see you on the next video.